Are you in the rat race? Are you one of those people that dreads waking up on a Monday morning in order to go into work, to do your 40 hours a week? You get your salary, which in the UK on average is around £2,000 a month, and you live for a Saturday. Is that you? Or are you somebody who enjoys your job, doesn't mind it, but would also like to live life on your own terms? Every single person who watches this has the ability to change their lives. In the UK, we have lots of people all doing different things. But the one thing that most humans have in common is we all want to spend more time with our family. We all want to spend more time with our friends. And we all want to make sure that our children's are looked after to some extent. And property is a way that you can make all of these things happen. It's just that no one's ever really sat down and explained it to you in detail. When we go through the schooling system, it's not mentioned. When we go through the schooling system, we are never told about being an entrepreneur. We are told about going to school, 9 o'clock in the morning till 3 o'clock in the afternoon from a very, very young age. This is putting us into the trap. This is the system. It's training us for when we are older. We go to work from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock. We sit in offices with the wrong lighting that affects us. We are surrounded by the same people doing the same thing day in, day out. And that's not life. That is not what we're here for. We have 75 summers, 75 winters, and we don't have what we believe we have all the time. And that is the time. We don't have it. Time is one of those things that we take for granted. We look at spending money, and when we lose money or we waste money, it really affects us. But when we sit down and do nothing for weeks, months, years on end, we don't get upset about the time we've wasted. And that is something that the 1% actually are well aware of. We understand time. We know how valuable it is. We know that we want to trade our money for time. We don't want to trade our time for money. So, property. How do you get started? How do you escape that life you're in now? How do you get yourself into a position where you can go, right, okay, this is the life I want to live? Well, the easiest way, the most simplistic way moving forwards is deal sourcing, deal packaging, deal selling. Now, what is that? What is it? It is basically where you have enough knowledge where you can go out and you can find property deals for investors. And the types of deals that you will find will depend on the type of investors that you're dealing with. Some investors just want turnkey buy-to-lets, basically meaning that they have some savings, they want to go and get a mortgage with 25% deposit, they want it in a good area for capital appreciation, which is where house prices go up, and they are not too fussed about the monthly returns on their investment. It's more about the long-term investments for when they do retire, they have assets that can make them live the life that they want to live. There's nothing wrong with that. Then you have other investors that want to flip properties. Now you imagine if you could find a property for £150,000 and you can spend £50,000 on the renovations and you can make anything from £30,000 to £60,000 returns for the investor. You found this property. £30,000 to £60,000 on a property flip, which can take anything from 4 to 8 months. That's not just above the average salary. That could be double the average salary in the UK. There are people out there that are desperately looking for these deals. The reason that they can't find them is because they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the education, and they don't know what they're looking for. This is where you slot in. You don't have to be the one doing the developments. You don't have to be the one that's buying these properties. You can be the middle person that finds these deals, brings them to the attention of investors, and then you get paid a fee. You get paid a nominal figure that you can decide on. And people out there who are investors, people who have money, will pay for your deals because They don't have the time. They don't have the knowledge. You getting the right education, you being the right person, you being the person that adds value to somebody else's life, you will get paid. So what do you need to learn? How can I help you? First and foremost, I can teach you how to identify deals. I can show you what a great deal looks like across the board, from HMOs, buy-to-lets, flat conversions, multi-blocks. I can teach you all of that. Then I can teach you how to break down the deals. So how do you find the refurb costs? How do you find the true value, the GDV, the end value? How do you speak to estate agents? How do you put your offers across? How do you as a person get yourself into the mindset where you believe in yourself 100%? I'm the guy. I'm the guy that can help you with it. I'm the guy that can bring all of this together, who can package it for you and hand it to you on a plate. You then have to just go out, implement what I teach you, and you could literally change your life. Now, there's hundreds of people out there doing videos like this saying to you, yes, I'm the person, blah, 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 I'm the guy, I'm the girl, I'm the person that can come and give you everything you need. Why should you choose me? It's very simple. I practically live this life every single day. And I've documented my journey for the past 4.5 years on social media. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. I have been present and I've showed up every single day. I have been through everything that you can imagine in the property space at my level. I have had all the setbacks. I have had every project problem that you can think of, again, at my level. I have first-hand experience. I am the person that can literally say to you, this works, this doesn't work, don't do this, do this. And it's for you to see through all the nonsense that's out there on social media and actually pick the correct people that can teach you. Now, if you package a deal and it's a standard buy-to-let or a standard flip, the average fee is between £3,000 and £5,000. And you can find deals in a day, you can find deals in a week, you can find deals in a month. It depends on what you want. Are you looking to just replace your income and be able to live the whole month where you can do what you want, get up when you want, go out with your family, friends, children, parents, whatever you want to do? Or are you somebody that wants to knuckle down and actually start earning 20, 30, 40,000 pounds a month? Again, every single level that you want to be at comes with your mindset. It comes with determination. It comes with consistency, discipline. But you can earn £3,000 a month and you can earn multiples of tens of thousands of pounds a month. And the bigger the deals, the bigger the reward. But the bigger the deals comes with more knowledge, more education. So you need to decide what level you want to be at. But I'm the person that can break it down in the most simple way possible and deliver it to you where you can go, you know what? I can make this happen. I can actually live life on my own terms. I can go out there and I don't have nobody telling me what to do. I'm my own boss. I make my own decisions and I move forwards with life myself. Because again, time. Do you really have a lot of time? Do you think that you can do this next year? No. You need to take action today. You need to be the person that goes, right, I'm going to have a go at this. What's the worst that can happen? You fail? Well, you only fail if you quit. Can't fail if you don't quit and you keep going. And I'm a big believer, a massive believer in what goes around comes around. So if you put the effort in and you genuinely, don't just try and convince the world that you're doing something. Don't be one of those people that takes a picture of their Mac or their iPad and posts it and puts working hard when realistically you've done nothing at all. Don't be that person. If you put the work ethic in, if you put the consistency in, if you genuinely stay disciplined, I promise you, you will reach your goals. But if you try to cheat the grind, it doesn't work. So what are you waiting for? I'm here. I'm telling you, deal sourcing. It's the way to escape your 9 to 5. It's the way to change your life. Take action. be that person. There's a link below to my website. There's a link below to get a free trial in my property education app. What have you got to lose by trying it? Am I as good as I say I actually am? Well, give it a go. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing for a free trial. But if you want to come down to see me in person, I'm in Birmingham on the 21st of June. I have my blueprint. The whole day, it's £11 a ticket. £11 to see me in person. Or jump in the free app trial now, see what I do, and then buy the ticket in a day or two. Or take that leap of faith and secure the ticket now. So I hope you found this video interesting, because it's going to give you a way of getting out of what you're doing right now and not being part of the rat race in the system, which is not what we want. We want people to live life on their own terms and see there is a different way to show our children that this is what we did. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you tomorrow with another video, and I will see you guys either in Birmingham or in my app.